Hi first graders, the past couple of days you've been learning about community helpers. These are people who help in our community and make sure things get done. These are people such as doctors, teachers, the police, firemen, people who pick up the garbage, people who deliver the mail. So we have lots of these people who help us every single day and we might not realize it. Today we're talking about what makes a good citizen. A good citizen is someone who keeps the community clean and is kind and caring to others. Now I know some of you have already been doing this by collecting garbage at recess. That helps keep our school clean. We will also be talking about the importance of signs in our community, such as signs that tell us to stop or tell us we can cross the street. And lastly, we will also talk about strangers and how we can deal with people who come up to us who we don't know. So we want to be careful and not talk to those strangers. So I hope that you enjoy this lesson today. Bye everyone.